Hello, welcome back to Curls by Sharlene. Today I'm going to explain to you the flip side of how I've overcome the hair loss. If you want to watch my video that I did beforehand to see how much hair loss I had and what was going on, I'll put a link below and you can watch that video. If you're new to my channel, you want to hit the subscribe button, and if you've been with me for a while, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it very much. Postpartum hair loss is a real thing. It happens. Like, it does happen to you when you least expect it. And that's what happened to me. So let's rewind a little bit. I'll show you what I looked like beforehand and how much hair I lost. And then I'm going to show you where I am now. Like, okay. So this is what happened about 4 months ago. Actually a bit longer than that, and I was just going with the motions, going, and 4 months later, look at this. I didn't do my edges so you can see. I'm gonna do them for you so you can see how much hair growth I have. I mean, look how much hair's grown, guys. Hello. So I've been taking Care vitamins for 4 months now. So they come in, this is what they look like. They're in packs of 28, so 28 days in each box, and I bought 4 boxes and I'm literally on my last box. So in 4 months roughly, that's how much hair growth I've had. That's pretty amazing. That's like an inch maybe, would you say? Yeah. And yeah, my hair is looking healthy, would you say? It's long. I know this looks like no hair growth, but let me just show you. Look at how long this is. I'd have to even stand up to show you. Like, that's how long my hair is. It's just growing and growing and growing. So these prenatals, not prenatals, Care vitamins, they actually say expert nutrition for after pregnancy. It has vitamins, minerals, calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 DHA. So yeah, they are packed full with all the goodness. Like, everything you need is pretty much in there, and I've noticed a significant change. Also, in this last box, I have, I think, 2 days left. So I've done 28 by 4, except 2 tablets. Like, amazing. Yeah. They're not cheap, though. This is how much they cost in the UK. So I don't know how much they'll cost anywhere else where you may be in the world. But honestly, it's worth it. If you want your hair to be healthy and to grow again and to not feel like, oh my goodness, my hair is just falling out in chunks and chunks and chunks, this is the way forward. My hair felt like straw, literally like a bird's nest. To detangle took me at least an hour every wash day to detangle. I was like, oh no. I was almost on the brink of cutting it all off. Cut it off. I can't handle this. My wash days, I was dreading. It was just not a happy time. It wasn't pleasant. I was not happy at all. I've also started washing my hair with apple cider vinegar. So look at this. And it is smooth, like no knots. I mean, it's amazing. Apple cider vinegar is what made the difference. It was what made me able to detangle. I wet my hair, spray it in my hair, and then detangle with water again. If you want to see how I do an apple cider vinegar rinse, I'll put a link below as well. Have a look. And I did a video about this ages ago, but that's all I've been washing my hair with. For shampoo, this is the apple cider vinegar rinse. Like conditioner, deep conditioner, nothing was detangling my hair. My hair was like straw. I couldn't even detangle. Like, you know how you section your hair into parts? I sectioned it into 4s, and then in each 4th I was going through because it was crazy. I couldn't believe how terrible. Like it was a mission. It was not easy. The front part of my hair is all over the place. Like, now detangling is stress-free, headache-free. It's just perfect. It's like how it should be. You should be happy when there's a wash day, you know. I know a wash day takes all day and you expect that, but you don't want to be in the shower for so long detangling. Like, it's just not the way forward. So this is how much hair used to fall out per wash day. Every week, that's how much used to fall out. Now, have a look. This is how much detangling, washing, and styling. Like, what a difference. This is nothing, absolutely nothing. I kept some from 1 week, and I'll show you, I also kept some from another week. And that's how much from another week. Like, come on. This is the way forward. By the way, another tip is I use a scalp scrubber or massager. That really helps my scalp to stimulate hair growth. That's why you use it, basically. So get yourself one of those. I'm on my last 2 tablets, as I said, and I'm thinking, what would you do? Would you continue until you stop breastfeeding? Because bear in mind, I'm still breastfeeding, and so all the nutrients are still going to my baby. Would you stop right now, or would you stop after you stop breastfeeding? I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Please leave a comment below. I want to know, what would you do? Would you suggest to continue taking them? Like, I've seen such a significant difference. Or what would you do? Like, look at this. Before, when I was doing this, look at all this growth. Look at all the hair. And this side, because I showed you both sides. I mean, this is amazing. This is amazing. Anyway, yeah. Look at this, guys. I couldn't ask for any better, could I? Oh, and by the way, this is actually day... I did my hair Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So day 6, and this is what my hair's looking like. I haven't restyled it. I haven't retouched it. This is it. I'll do another video after this one, and I'll show you how I did it. But day 6, and the definition is still on point. You know what I mean? Like, on point, right? On point. Now, I had a friend of mine, she also suggested one way to try and help alleviate this stress, you know. She said to speak to my doctor and get a blood test. And so I did, but I had already started taking these prenatal, postnatal, not prenatal. Prenatal is before pregnancy. Postnatal is after, isn't it? After pregnancy. Yeah, anyway. She said to go to the doctor and ask for a test and find out which vitamins I'm lacking. So I went, but as I said, I was taking these tablets already. I had started taking them because I was like, I need to do something. I was almost just, my hair was gonna go. I was gonna shave it off. It was gonna be gone. And so when I went for this blood test, it came out as everything was fine. Well, obviously now, because I've been taking the vitamins. So I wish I'd gone beforehand. I wish I'd listened to her beforehand and gone to find out from the doctor. But anyway, c'est la vie, right? The problem is I had already started taking these tablets, right? And so maybe it was showing up that I had all my vitamins, when in fact, it was the tablets that were replenishing my depleted stock. or depleted supply. So I don't actually know which vitamin I was lacking. Maybe it was the omega-3, maybe it was zinc. I don't know, but whatever vitamins are in this pack, it just made the difference. I also take iron tablets, but I've taken them for years, so this isn't even what's caused this problem or issue. It started after pregnancy, and I know so many women have said to me, my hair fell out, and I was like, oh my goodness, we need to talk about this more. Like, it's okay, you know, we'll get past it. But I was shocked. I didn't think it would happen to me, but it did, and it can happen to you. And I'm sorry if it's happening to you, but you will get past this. I promise. Don't cut your hair, but if you feel you've had enough, I don't blame you. I was almost there. I almost chopped it right off. It was gone. No more. But the chunks that were coming out anyway, like that much to this much. I mean, obviously. Can you blame anyone for wanting to cut their hair when their hair is falling out in chunks? No. So a few tips that I have are, don't stop deep conditioning, because you don't want to leave your hair for weeks and weeks and weeks and accumulate, like you won't know what's been lost. Your hair still needs to be nourished and taken care of. So take the time to have your wash day, stick to your routine, don't change it. I mean, obviously you need to change it by using different products, but don't stop doing the good things like massaging your scalp, taking vitamins, minimize your stress. Don't do protective styles back to back, especially if your hair is already falling out. Like if you want to do a protective style, do it once a month maybe, and then move on. Like, and don't do another one straight after you've done the protective style, because your hair is being pulled at the scalp and you don't want to do that. Yeah, so those are my tips. I can't speak enough about this Pregnant Care vitamins. Like, I should be paid for this, I think. Like, come on, Pregnant Care, I am promoting you, but I'm not getting paid for this. I'm honestly just giving you my honest and non-biased opinion, because this is what helped me, and I'm so grateful. I didn't think I would get to this position so quickly. I know it's taken 4 months, but after maybe the first box, not even, after the first 2 weeks maybe, I already saw a difference. My hair started feeling like it had vitamins again. You know, it was nourished. I just felt, hello. This was amazing. This is what my hair used to feel like. And I know it's so different from your hair when you're pregnant. Feels healthy as ever. It's flourished, it's growing, because you're just all over with all these vitamins with the baby. The minute the baby comes out, I don't know. Well, I do know the baby then you're giving the baby the vitamins, but it's just like being sucked out of you. Breastfeeding is on another level. And I must say, I don't know if this is related. Yeah, so I've lost a significant amount of weight. Well, not that significant, but I've lost a lot of weight, and it's just fallen off. I don't know, because I'm still breastfeeding, or it's the combination of the tablets and the breastfeeding, but the weight's just falling off. Thanks so much for watching. Curls by Sharlene. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what's helped you with your hair loss, and how did you overcome it? How long did it take? He's 9 months now, so I'm told it still happens, and it happens again after you stop breastfeeding apparently. So I'm like, oh darling, what's happened? Did I hurt you? Oh, here we go. Please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so apparently your hair also does this after you stop breastfeeding, but I might have to continue taking the tablets, but they definitely work. I recommend them. I recommend them. I couldn't recommend them any less. I wouldn't be telling you this if it didn't make such a difference in my life. and it was so much easier. Honestly, what a difference. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I'm not gonna stress it out too much. Look, it broke. This is what it's meant to be in. There you go. I think this is actually my eyebrow one. I'm doing real good with this one. There you go. Ooh. There you go. I'm just so happy. I'm not even stressing my edges out. Like, look. The thickness of my hair is coming back, guys. But yeah, thanks for watching. Woo! And I'll see you next time. Bye.